Hello my alien students, welcome back. So this is part 4 of the story of the electrical project. Just 1 minute. Yeah, this is part 4. Okay, what we did so far was we linked the architectural file. I think one step I did inform you was select the project, link file, pin it, and I said edit bound, room bounding. Okay, I give you one of the reasons. I asked you why we've done this, waiting for your answer, and then I will tell you why we're doing it. Okay. See, generally I like to see things dark. Okay, type VG, go to elevation marker and just remove that, so you have a better screen, full screen. Okay, so far so good. Okay, but when we see this, we can uncheck so we don't see it. Okay, this looks a bit light, right? We want it to be a bit dark. So what we do is go to the Manage tab, additional setting, half tone. Can you see half tone on this one? Make it dark, maybe 80 something. Okay, so you can see it. That looks better, right? Instead of seeing it, but it's too dark. Maybe around 70, 75 something. It should be fine. Okay. Okay. So this is first part of the story. Okay. Second part of the story is we would like to see. I have not copied the levels. Okay, in the previous video I showed you, asked you a question how to copy the levels. What I'll do is I just do this. This is mine. In the sense, this is the hosted one, not the link one. Delete everything. Okay, and then we create the copy. Okay, I'm waiting for the answer. I'll show you how to do it in the next class or something. Okay, I want to get some beautiful alien answers. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. It's something really simple. I don't want you to do is the architectural tab, the label, that I don't want you to use. This I don't want you to use. Okay, this is kind of slow method. I would like to use something more efficient, more alienish. Okay, let me know what you do in the next step and I'll show you how to do it. Don't worry. Okay, we've copied the levels, I guess. Yep, I've copied the levels. I just need level 1 roof to be here, so go to the view tab, roof, level 1, level 2. Power, beautiful. Okay, say okay, you will be seeing them here, which is what I wanted. Okay, fine, this looks good. We are back to the story. Now what I will do is go to any level 1. Okay, try to select the VG. One minute. I'm in my level 1. Yes. Okay. Now this guy is blocking me, not allowing me to do this. Can you give me a reason why this happens? Sometimes it happens. I can't do it. This is my normal plan view. Why I cannot do it? Okay, it's got to do with your template. So what you're going to do is go to your electric template, go uncheck this too. Okay. Now you can tell me join your alien. Sorry, VG. Became uncheck. Okay. Elevation marker. Okay, this is the story. Now what I was thinking was, the architect, let me select this, okay. Architect has his spaces. Just want to see, yes, I have done, yeah, room mounting, good. Okay, he has defined his rooms, let's say, not spaces, he's defined his rooms. Okay, and for me, as an electrical engineer, okay, we require these spaces. Okay, we require this room to be converted to spaces to do some analysis. Okay, you see, analyze tab, we want to do spaces. Okay, so first question is, how do I get his rooms? How do I get his rooms? Yeah, how do I convert rooms to spaces? Okay, that's the first part of the story. Okay, before that, before I do this, I will do some settings here. Go to the Systems tab under Electrical Settings. Click this guy, this small arrow. Okay. Load calculation. Run load in spaces. This has to be checked. If you don't do this, you don't get the answer. Okay, because he doesn't know that you're looking for it. That's why he says you off it. It will take some memory of yours. You know. Anyhow, let's just click OK. So now I can do some load calculations in Auto. Okay. Now what's my story is I want to convert. There are rooms and spaces in this. If I show you, let me show you 1 minute. 1 minute, okay? Let me show you. Right click, go, open, and unload. Yes. See, there are rooms here. This is a room. This is a room. Okay. I want those rooms to be in my, because I need to create spaces on that. Okay. So what I'll do is just close this and come down and say reload. So my question is, how do you convert the rooms to spaces? First part of the story. Okay, one method would be go to Analyze tab, create space, and then click one of them. Just give it. This is called a human method. Okay, and then again go to unload it, get the name of the a room, change the name. I want something much beautifuler. Okay. So most probably in the next class or something, give me your comments. Give me your comments. I'll do it. I'll show you how to do it. I want your comments. First think what you do. Okay. So maybe in part 5 or something, or in this video, you can give me your comment. John, I would do this. John, I would do that. Okay. So yeah, let's see each other in part 5. Hope you enjoyed this small series of videos. We'll keep moving forward. Yalla, bye.